Okay, when it comes to adding assessment, we have different kind of component that we can add. And from the list of the component today, we are going to talk about the standard problems. Now, if you click on the problem component, you will see a list of problem types that you can select from. And underneath that, you have an advanced problem type as well. Now, if you want to know more in-depth details for any of these problem types, you can, when you select it, you might have noticed about learn more link over here. If you click here, then you will know the in-depth details of the problem types. But today what we are going to do is we are briefly going to go through all the problem types that we see over here, and then I'll show you some examples how to use it and how to assign the point and the number of attempts as well. So now when it comes to single select, as you can see in the preview image over here, you see that it is somewhat similar to that of the MCQ. We'll get a list of options, and from there you can select one as the correct answer. And as for the multi-select, you can select two or more as the correct answer. And then for drop down, you will have a list of options in a drop down, answer options in a drop down menu, and then you can select the correct one. And then you have the numerical input. Here it is mainly related to any numerical input that you want to put in. And then we have text input. Now in text input, over here we are not talking about a full-fledged answer, essay answer, or a paragraph answer, but few word answers. Now coming back to single select, if we want to select this option, what you can do is you can click on the single select and then click on the select button down here. Then once you select it, you see that single select at the top can be edited as well, right? So instead of single select, you can write MCQ or the unit name or anything of your liking. Now, this is the question section where you can write the question, and then we have explanation. If you now, if you want to provide any explanation for the correct answer, you can do so over here. And then these are the answer option, answer slot where you can write on the answer. And if you want to give more than 3 options, what you can do is you can click the button over here, which adds more answer slots. Now, as you can see, there are delete icons over here. If you click it, yeah, it deletes the answer slot. Now, if you click over here, what you can do is show the following feedback when D is selected. If you want to give certain feedbacks, then yeah, you can put it over here as well. But it is not mandatory, so it's up to you whether you want to fill it or not. Next, what we can do is once you had selected the single select, and then you come to realize that, okay, I don't want to use the single select problem type anymore. You want to use something else, then over here you can click onto the type drop down menu, and you can see all the other problem types, and you can choose any one of your liking. Next, when it comes to the scoring, what you can do is you can click over here, and then you have the points. So for this question, if you get the correct answer, how many points do you want to give? It's up to you. So So if you want to give 1 point, you can select 1. If you want to give more point, you can click up. Or it is what you can do is you can select and directly give any point according to your liking. And here, if you can see, we have an attempt, right? So attempt is the option that you want to provide to the learner, where how many times they can attempt these same questions. So if you have selected unlimited attempts, they can keep on trying the same question over and over again. So what you can do is you can unselect this and then give a specific number of attempts. 1 attempt. After 1 attempt, you want to give the point, then yeah, go ahead with that. If you want to give more attempts, yeah, it's totally up to the course creator. And then yeah, we can add hints, and we have also advanced settings in here as well. So we have, what do you want to do? Do you want to show the answer? When it comes to showing the answer, what do you want to do? The default is once you finish attempting it, then you will get to see the answer. Or see, there are a list of options that you can choose from. And then reset option. Okay, whether you want to reset the options or not, it's you can, when clicking here, you will see a reset button. Now time between the attempts means the timer that you want to set on, and it is not necessary to choose all the options, but here I'm saying or showing you this because I want to let you know that there are other options or advanced settings that you can set as well. Now how you can do is suppose if we create a question like what is the capital of France, then we write Rome, Madrid, Berlin, and then Paris. We know that the correct answer is Paris, but as you can see right now, the green tick is at Rome. So that means when someone attempt the question, their correct answer should be Rome. But the capital of France is Paris. So since the capital of France is Paris, what you can do is you can select Paris, and yeah, if you do this, the correct answer will be Paris. Now if you want to have other problem types, suppose multi-select, then you can change it to multi-select as well, where you can like choose 2 options, or if you want to have a drop down, then all these, once you suppose let me show you something. Okay, since this is the correct answer, once you are done selecting the problem type and filling the questions and answers and number of points that you want to give and the number of attempt that you want to give, then what you can do is you can click onto the save button. Once you click here, you see that before I had written MCQ over here, right? So instead of that, if you want to write something else, suppose drop down and click save, then you'll see a drop down, and then as you can see, select an option, and then from here we get to see all the options that we had written. But before publishing the questions or the exercise, what you can do is you can click onto the preview button. If you click onto the preview button, what you will see is how the student will see the question or the exercise that you had created. If you like the setting, then yeah, you can go back to where you are and then yeah, publish it. But if you don't like it, then you can edit again. So click while creating any exercise or any unit or anything, it is important to click on the preview and see if the outcome is up to your liking. Yeah, and let's say we have given an example of the simple select and drop down. Now, if we want to see a numerical input, what you can do is you can select this and then write the question and write the correct answer over here. And then we have text input. So you write the question, suppose. Let's say what is the capital of France, and the correct answer is Paris. Right, Paris. Again, keep in mind scoring and number of attempts. Number of attempts is 1. If you click on save, then this is what you see in the author view. But if you click on to the preview, you also over here we can like choose the view course as staff, and then we have learner. Now this is how the students or the learner of your course will see it. See, there is a blank space here. You can put in the answer. Now if you write the correct answer, you will see correct 1 out of 1 point. From here, if let's say we choose Rome and then select it, you see incorrect. Like that, if you again select the problem, we have advanced problem types. You can click here and then choose any of your choose anything that is your liking. And then if you want to know more in-depth details, know more about the in-depth details of the advanced problem types, you can click on this link, and once you click on this link, it will lead to the OpenEDX page, and you can learn from there as well.